sklearn kernel approximation additive Chi2 sampler. Description: the additive Chi2 sampler class implements a kernel approximation method for efficiently approximating the chi-squared kernel in high-dimensional spaces. The chi-squared kernel is a popular choice for measuring similarities between histograms or other non-negative data. The additive Chi2 sampler approximates the chi-squared kernel by using a sum of random Fourier features, where each feature is generated by sampling from a distribution related to the chi-squared distribution. Inputs: X, the input data, which should be a 2D array of shape n samples. N features, where each row represents a sample and each column represents a feature. The data should be non-negative. Sample weights: optional array of sample weights, which should have the same length as the number of samples in X. If provided, the weights are used to adjust the importance of each sample during the sampling process. Outputs: the output of the transform method is a 2D array of shape n samples. N components, where each row represents a sample and each column represents a random Fourier feature. Steps: the class takes the input data X and the desired number of components n components as input. It then generates n components random Fourier features by sampling from a distribution related to the chi-squared distribution. For each input sample, it calculates the value of each random Fourier feature by applying a function, e.g., sine or cosine, to the dot product between the sample and the feature. Finally, it returns the array of random Fourier features. Metrics: accuracy measures the closeness of the approximation to the original chi-squared kernel. Runtime measures the time taken to transform the input data. Visualization plots: scatter plot of the original data and the transformed data to visualize the mapping induced by the approximation. Histogram of the random Fourier features to visualize their distribution. Fine-tune parameters: n components, the number of random Fourier features to generate. Higher values lead to better approximation accuracy but also increased computational cost. Sample weights: weights assigned to each sample during sampling. Uncertainty methods: Bootstrap use resampling to estimate the variability in the approximation. Bayesian methods introduce prior distributions over the parameters of the approximation model and use Bayesian inference to estimate the uncertainty. Challenges and fixes: Challenge 1: choosing the optimal number of components. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 using a small number of components can lead to poor approximation accuracy, while using a large number of components can be computationally expensive. Fixes to challenge 1: experiment with different values of n components and evaluate the trade-off between accuracy and runtime. Consider using cross-validation to select the optimal value. Challenge 2: handling high-dimensional data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: the runtime of the approximation can become prohibitively long for very high-dimensional data. Fixes to challenge 2: consider dimensionality reduction techniques such as PCA or feature selection. Before applying the approximation, investigate alternative kernel approximation methods that are more efficient for high-dimensional data.